Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter app. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.